You watch an English video. You miss one word, 2 words, 5 words. You feel bad. You think, my English is not good enough. Stop. Wait. Today, I have good news for you. You do not need to understand 100% to understand English. Let's find out why and how to listen better. Many learners think, I must understand every word. But this is not true, even for native speakers. When native speakers listen, they also miss some words. They focus on the main idea, not every single word. So, how can you listen better without stress? Let's learn 4 simple tips. First, focus on the main idea, not every word. When you listen, do not stop and worry about one missing word. Keep listening. Try to understand the general idea. Think about Tom. Tom watches an English video. He hears, I want to, missed word, a coffee. Old Tom stops the video. He feels stressed. He tries to find that one word. New Tom keeps listening. He understands, I want to buy a coffee. The meaning is clear, even with one missing word. This is a big change. Try it. Second, listen to the same audio many times. The first time, you understand a little. The second time, you understand more. The third time, you understand even more. Your brain needs repeat exposure to catch fast, natural speech. Don't listen one time and give up. Listen again and again. Third, learn how English sounds connect together. In fast speech, words blend together. What are you doing can sound like what ya doing. Going to can sound like gonna. This is normal. This is not a mistake. When you learn these sound patterns, listening becomes much easier. You start to recognize the blended sounds, instead of feeling confused. Fourth, practice a little every day. You do not need one big study session. 10 minutes a day is enough. Listen to a short video, a song, a podcast. Small daily practice builds a strong ear, slowly but surely. Like planting a seed. You do not see growth today, but every day, you grow a little. So, let's remember, to listen and understand English better. Focus on the main idea, not every word. Listen to the same audio many times. Learn how sounds connect together. And practice a little, every day. You do not need 100% understanding today. You only need to keep going. One day, you will understand so much more than you expect. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.